Okay, what's up guys? So today's video, we're back with the Genesis. We are doing a mesh front grill. We've already taken the bumper off the car. It'll be filling the bottom portion and the bottom portion and the top portion with a mesh grill. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I have the bumper with all the plastic inserts taken off. I'll show you guys me putting it back on the car so you can also see what bolts you would need to do to take off the front bumper too. But it's pretty straightforward and simple. And in this full kit for the mesh front bumper, mesh front grills is from M&S. And yeah, must mod. You gotta do this mod for your car. I don't like the front grills on this thing. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn post notifications on, and yeah, see ya. Ready? Okay, so we're gonna flip over the front bumper. Okay, that's something to work with. Okay, we're gonna take this one piece. It has 3M on it, on the top portion, and down here. So we're gonna remove the 3M so it can stick to the thing. And then we got this pad over here, and they use it just so you can clean up the surfaces. So we'll clean up the contact surfaces, which is right here, as well as down right here. That way it sticks better and we don't have problems. Okay, so I put this grill on. I've removed the 3M so it can be sticky. Well, that works. Okay, so basically, you want to drill. There's a hole right here. It's a tinier one. You're gonna drill that with that screw, and that piece will stick onto the bumper better. Pretty simple. So we got the new mesh grills, top and bottom. Not bad for a rookie. Next, we are going to install some fog lights. Right here. Okay, so we had no fog lights before. Why? I don't know. No fog lights before.
I respect that.
We want fog lights. Okay. So we got this new piece of trim. Okay. I got this fog light. So the way it's gonna work is, well, first off, that goes in there like that. Okay. For now, we can put this down.
Spot it.
You guys can see this. Okay. So, give me the camera. So, okay. Okay, so we have this open right here for the fog light. You want to basically line it up, and there's a bunch of clips around. So you just want to push it down onto there. So all these clips clip into place. And then after that, you would put the fog light on top, and then you would screw it down. Now we're going to place the fog light right here into this trim that we just put into place. So go over here.
I'm buying a bunch of ours.
So we clipped the trim in already. Now this is gonna sit into the gap in the opening.
Okay. You're actually gonna drill that? There's literally a V racing jacket.
And there is,
I'm buying.
see that?
125. I'm buying.
Screw hole there, there,
No, 125.
there,
They look pretty nice.
as well as there. We're gonna screw those all down, and then we should be done. Okay, so grill is in. fog lights are in. Now, this is the new front bumper. What do you guys think? Not bad. Not bad at all. Now, we gotta put this back on the car. So I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay. Now we are gonna take the front bumper and install it back onto the cars. We got Brandon helping me.
And a boy brand.
Stay exactly where you were. Yes, sir.
Clean, right? Sir?
I like it.
But it's clean.
Since I didn't show how to take off the bumper, I'll show how to put it back on, and it's just the same steps in reverse. So we have right here. So at the top, we have a bolt. We have screw holes over here. So we have these are actually what's it called? These will be clips. So they clip in. This will be in place. After that, we have on each side. We have a screw that goes right here and locks it in. Right around here, it goes there, and it'll lock it in with the fender. And then underneath the car, we have one right there, and then the same thing on the other side. And then the bumper should be secured. Here you go. Yeah, you gotta shove this in like that. Like goes over there.
Got all the fucking pushing ones?
Yeah, they're here.
What's up? You like it?
Okay, so he's installing the screw on that side. We already did the one on this side. That one's in place. Clips are in on the top. And then we had two clips on each side on the underside of the bumper. And now the entire thing is on with
I don't
fog
think it
lights.
look good. It looks good.
Not bad.
I just
Good. All done. We have the mesh grill. Looks pretty good. Fog lights installed. Looks pretty good. Changed up the look of the car a lot. Who likes the new look? Drop a comment below.
It's like in the movies, you know, where they jump right?